Here's a quick tutorial on the bedroom clocks. You'll find these in 3 of the 4 bedrooms. The 2 upstairs bedroom and the guest bedroom downstairs. The kids bedroom does not have one. They all work the exact same. There is 3 power plugs on top, 4 USB power ports on top, and then to see the clock you just press this center button, and that's display on high, medium, and then low, and you press it one more time, it'll be off. They're a little bright, so I usually actually keep it off during the night, but you can do whatever works for you. There is a switch, a power switch on the back. If you hit that, it'll turn power off on everything and also reset the time. There are 2 alarm options. If you want to turn that on, you would press the Alt, and that would be the alarm 1. Now it's off. Here's alarm 2. Now it's off. And then to set the time or the alarm, you press and hold this middle button to set the time, and then up and down. Switch to minutes. Here are the up and down. Now it's set. Kind of same thing for the alarms. Turn the alarm, press and hold the middle button. Oop, no, that's not how it worked. There. You press and hold this, and now you can set it up and down. Go to minutes, up and down, hit it again. And now that you would have set the time for the alarm, and you can see that the alarm is on. Now it's off. There you go. That's the tutorial. If you want to read instructions in the master bedroom upstairs, in the top drawer, you will find the instructions. Hope that's helpful.